Hi students, in the previous class we discussed about synthetic fibers. Today we are going to discuss some another type of synthetic fibers. First one is polyester. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and is easy to wash. And it is suitable for making dress material. Polyester is manufactured from petroleum and it contains an ester group. As you know, polyester. In polyester, many ester groups are there. The monomeric units are ester units. Esters are natural esters are present in fruits also. It gives fruits its characteristic sweet smell. Terylene. Terylene is a popular polyester. Next is PET. Polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. It is a form of polyester and it is used for making utensils, bottles, films and wires. Next is blended fabrics. Blended fabrics. Here you can see three types of fabrics, that is polycoat, polywool and terracoat. These are actually a combination or a mixture of two types of fabrics. One synthetic and the other one natural fabric. For example, in polycoat, it is a mixture of polyester and cotton. In polywool, it contains polyester and wool. And in terracoat, it contains terylene and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool, and polycoat is a mixture of polyester and cotton, and terracoat is a mixture of terylene and cotton. Acrylic. We discussed about rayon, that is called as artificial silk. Now it is acrylic. Acrylic is called artificial wool. Acrylic resemble natural wool. Acrylic is relatively cheap and it is available in a variety of colors. The characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are more durable, they dry up quickly, they are less expensive and they are readily available, and it is easy to maintain synthetic fibers. Disadvantages. Synthetic fibers burn more rapidly than natural fibers and they melt on heating. On catching fire, it melts and sticks to the body. That's why it is not advisable to use synthetic clothes while working in kitchen or laboratory. Next is plastics. Plastic is a polymer. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some, it is linear and in some others, it is cross-linked. That is type of arrangement of units in plastics. That is of two types, linear and cross-linked. Here you can see the first one is linear arrangement of units in plastics and the second one is cross-linked arrangement of units in plastics. Advantages of plastics. Plastics are easily moldable and they are light in weight. And plastics can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, and can be rolled into sheets or can be made into wires. Polythene. You are familiar with this word, I think. Poly plus ethene. Poly plus ethene. Here many ethene units join together to form polythene. Polythene is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Next is types of plastics. There are mainly two types of plastics are there. The first one is thermoplastics. It gets deformed on heating and can be bent easily. It gets deformed on heating and we can bend it easily. The examples of thermoplastics are polythene and PVC. Polythene and PVC. The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Uses of thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are used for manufacturing toys, combs and different containers. Next type of plastic is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastics, once molded, cannot be softened by heating. For example, Bakelite and Melamine. Bakelite and Melamine. Bakelite. It's a thermosetting plastic. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It's a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches because it is a poor conductor of electricity. And it is used for making handles of various utensils because, mainly kitchen utensils, because it is a poor conductor of heat. Melamine is also one of the thermosetting plastics. Melamine resists fire and can tolerate heat. Melamine is used for making floor tiles, kitchenwares, fabrics which resist fire. Please answer these questions, okay? The first question is, hope you understood the concept. Now try to answer this question. First question is, why polyester is quite suitable for making dress materials? Why polyester is quite suitable for making dress materials? Second question is, name any two types of polyesters and their uses. Name any two types of polyesters and their uses.